Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my eBay business. And as you can see today, you're in a stationary position rather than me holding the camera. We're just gonna set you down and I'm just gonna show you a couple of things. For starters, like I mentioned in the previous video, I got another box that we're gonna have to unbox full of cutlery items, so we're gonna sell those. The last set did really well. I made my money back completely after selling about 3 of them, so decided to get a whole nother box full, and I picked up this box for I think around $34. So we're gonna unbox this after I show you a couple things that sold today. So the first thing that sold today is this pair of Hollister shorts. It is a size 5 Hollister jean shorts. They're slightly distressed and we're just gonna throw it in a poly bag and send it on its way. So these jeans sold for $7.99 with the buyer paying shipping. So very good sale there, very happy. I think we had a couple dollars into this one, so this actually sold on my wife's profile. Next thing that sold is something that I actually owned previously. This was an Abercrombie and Fitch medium sweatshirt. It is a long sleeve. Now I'm recording this in my living room, so you might hear a bunch of vehicles driving by, that type of thing, so excuse that. But yeah, I'm just not really a fan of like the standard name brands anymore. I just like wearing plain shirts and I don't really care about the brand after high school, college. I'm not sure if you guys feel the same way, but that's why I'm selling some of my older, well-known branded clothing. So this sold on my wife's profile for $9.99 with the buyer paying shipping. So obviously $0 into this and pure profit. So just while packing this, I just noticed that there's like this small stain here. I'm not sure if this is something that could come out in the wash, but I'm gonna message the buyer to see if he still wants it. Or ask my wife to see if she thinks that this could come out, and we'll see what we could do within the next couple of days. Gonna send him a message, see what happens with that, and we'll keep you guys posted. So not gonna ship this one out today, or well, tomorrow. But we will get this pair of jean shorts packaged up and get it going. So pro tip, take a look at all your clothes right before you ship them out, just for any last minute imperfections. I'm not sure if that imperfection came during storage or like how it got there. So really glad I decided to actually look at it a little bit more closely while folding it in the poly bag. All right, I turned off the AC. Hopefully that takes care of some of the noise. Not sure if you guys were able to hear that on your end, but I just noticed it and decided to turn it off. All right, easy peasy, ready to go. All right, next we're gonna unpack this and see what's inside, if we have any good items here. All right, so like last time, we're seeing like individual pieces here, so we're gonna see if we can find all the pieces that'll fit together. All right, we have another Ozark Trail. This one's looking quite fancy. It has like a star, several stars on it, and then a tank. Not sure, do you guys recognize that brand at all? I've never seen that brand before. It's Meat and something, so cool. It's in the packaging, so I'll assume it's somewhat valuable, or at least higher quality than most. Oh, that's a nice one. All right, so we have a Coleman's one that's still in a sleeve, so this one's gonna do really well for us here. All right, yes, we got one. These blue ones sold really quick for me, so if I list them for $9.99, I'm sure these things will fly off. Oh, nice, yes. All right, so Pacific Trail, we had one of these. I'm pretty sure this is the one that sold at a relatively high price. When I say high, I mean like 20 and up. So very happy that one of these is in there. We struck gold over here. All right, found another full set here. Cool. Another set of the red one here. All right, so this is what we're working with here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. So 15 for 15 full sets here. So I paid 35-ish. So let's see here. It's about $2 in each one of these. And I have a bunch of halves. Like I'll probably sell these as a lot, like a box of halves, and then they'll see that it's mostly just spoons. So I'm debating if I should sell these as a lot or if I should just keep all of them around. I'll figure that out as I go, but 15 of the whole sets, so $2 each to all of them. So if I sell them for about $9.99 each, it's a pretty good profit. And one of these was a pretty good brand. It was Pacific, I think it was this one, but this one I sold for like $29.99 last time. So they should do really well, in addition to having a Coleman. So not all of these are going to be $9.99. The Ozark Trail ones probably just $9.99 each, especially since I have 5 of them. But these two will probably be a little bit more special. This one sold pretty quick last time, so I'm hoping it sells quick again. Maybe the red one will do as well, but we shall see. So very happy with this lot, in addition to whatever money that we get from selling these as a whole. Alright, so it is another day and we actually just sold something. I'm trying a bunch of different angles, or will be moving forward, just to give you guys a little bit of a different perspective of, you know, my living space and what we have going on here. So today we actually just sold this set of, let me get it out of the bag, utility knives. As you can see, I have a big one and then a smaller one. So we just sold this for $13.99 with the buyer paying shipping, and at this point this is pure profit off of that lot. So we're just gonna throw it in this bowl mailer here and send it on its way. This week also went sourcing to Goodwill and Community Aid, and we bought a couple of things. So one of which is this vintage Coke glass. I actually have 3 of these, so we're gonna sell them as a lot. Apparently this is a set of 1980s vintage Coke glasses. So I saw a comp of these selling for a set of 4 for about $40. We picked these up for 50 cents each. So looking forward to what kind of profit this is gonna bring us. Another thing that I found at a consignment shop was this Bud Light mug. Now, I only picked this up for about 50 cents. Didn't really see any comps regarding to Bud Light mugs, but I've done really well in the past with alcohol-related glasses. So we're gonna list this up for probably around 15 bucks, see how it does. Now, I had to pay up for this one a little bit. I got this 4th generation iPod Shuffle. Now I had to pay, excuse the background noise there, I had to pay $13 for this iPod Shuffle here, and it is a 2 gigabyte, I'm pretty sure 4th gen. I had to do more research on this. I did research in the store, but I can't remember off the top of my head. But I did see a lot of listings, sold listings for around like $40. So gonna make some decent profit for it. I'm just gonna list it for around 40 and see what I could do, because this is gonna be very light and easy to ship. Another thing I had to pay up for here is this Texas Instrument TI-83 Plus. Now I paid $8 for this, but these pretty much just fly off as soon as you list them. And at this point it is back to school for, you know, everyone that goes to school. So paid $5 for this at Goodwill, and looking forward to selling this. I'm pretty sure the last one I sold was around 25 to 26 with the buyer paying shipping, but I'm assuming that it's gonna amp up right now just due to back to school season. So I'm gonna list this in the very near future. Alright, and that is everything for this week's episode of the eBay business. And I'm just going to go upstairs and edit this video real quick. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys would like to support this channel for free, feel free to click on one of my Amazon affiliate links down below, and you could purchase anything on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking the link, and I'll get a little kickback at no cost to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.